So this is the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple. This is what it looks like on a white background. As you can see, it's a pretty dark kind of purple. Here it is on a cream background. And this is what it looks like on black. See more of the purple coming out. Still kind of gray. This is a actual true purple background. It's kind of close, but you can see it kind of looks different at every angle. Like kind of like dark blue and sometimes space gray or light gray. Sometimes it looks purple. It's really hard to tell. It's a chameleon. Here's also another purple. This still doesn't look purple to me. Is it just me? Here